Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. This is Nyla and I am back today with a beautiful 1972 Ford Mach 1. Got that yellow and black classic, pristine paint job. This car is primo inside and out, underneath the hood, underneath the undercarriage. It is just mint condition. It is an automatic, but it's got that 351 cubic inch 4-barrel motor with the V8, so she sounds pretty nasty going down the road. Just doing a quick little walk around so you can see it in real time. Got the beautiful black interior. Everything's in working condition, radio, all that stuff. I mean, just awesome condition. All the seats, the headliner, no scratches, no fading, just beautiful. When they get that engine started, we'll take it for a drive, and then we will show you the underneath. Stay tuned. Got that 351 4-barrel V8. It is an automatic. Just beautiful. Classic yellow. Let's take it for a ride. Here we are, 1972 Mach 1, taking it for a spin.
You know, this is really classic for me because I was in high school in 75, obviously 76, and these cars were a couple years old, Nyla, and I was able to afford that kind of thing on the used car market back then.
Sure.
But I never had a Mach 1. I always had one that I tried to dress up. This is the real deal.
Right.
Numbers matching motor.
Okay.
I have never really driven one, and we've had a couple of them that is as tight as this car. It shifts, drives, idles nicely. She is just a real nice car to put on the road. It doesn't stall when you give it gas. A lot of them that have been worked on a little bit, they all have a couple issues, but this, as you're going to see, is going to shift right through its gears. Just nice and strong. Got cut off there, but
It's beautiful.
and the bottom of this car is nice. I mean, look at how nicely the headliner looks.
Yeah.
And the dashboard. It's just amazing how someone preserves some of these things as well as they do over time. It just never ceases to amaze me. But we're here trying to help them sell them, and we're going to get on the hoist and let you see what it looks like there.